Clearing Flutter project in Android Studio is pretty easy actually. You can use Flutter clean command to remove temporary files and directories that Flutter generates during the build process. It's totally fine. You can open your terminal in Android Studio or even VS Code. Just type Flutter clean and that's it. Your directory will just remove these dependencies directories, which can be generated again after a build. So yep, it can help you to run your project even faster and with less errors. Sometimes cleaning build cache and stuff can help you to resolve errors. Sometimes there are a lot of errors that comes with the pre-built issues with Flutter or even maybe React Native. If you want better clean, you can even remove dependencies by Flutter pub get. This will give you another thing that can help you to reduce and resolve the issues with the Flutter. Flutter cleaning helps a lot.